वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं एक डिस्क्लेमर देना चाहती हूँ। अपनी वर्थ को डेटिंग एप्स के लाइक्स, स्वाइप्स, मैचेस, डेट्स, रिजेक्शन से प्लीज़ मत मेजर करो। दिस इज़ द वर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन डू टू योरसेल्फ। Second disclaimer is do not waste a lot of your time on dating apps. पूरा दिन उस पे लगे रहोगे, then you are bound to lose your mental peace.
किससे बात कर रहा हूँ, क्या बात कर रहा हूँ, समझ में नहीं। कंट्रोल उदय।
Let's begin with the profile. You can add at least 6 to 8 photos in certain apps. So please use these. एक दो फोटोज डाल के उसको छोड़ मत दो। हाफ फेस दिखा रहे हो, ग्रुप फोटो डाल रहे हो, फोटोज का सही यूज नहीं कर रहे हो टू शो योर पर्सनैलिटी और योर सेल्फ और योर इंटरेस्ट्स, देन यू आर completely doing it wrong. Have clear photos, single photos, individual photos with a variety of options and choices. Also, please try to avoid selfies. Have smiling photos or even serious ones will do only if it makes you look good. Smile is the most infectious thing about a person. It is one of the most attractive things. Another thing that you can add is a professional photo. I think it really sets a bar a notch higher. It makes the person feel that you are working, you have a purpose. A picture which shows your interest. It could be anything: cooking, writing, reading, playing the guitar, adventure activities, sports, fitness. It could just be anything under the sun, but it shows a certain side of your personality. A very special segment I want to give to those hunks and chunks and bodybuilders who have spent a lot of time at the gym and therefore they want to show it, but please do not include shirtless photos. I can give you a very good tip if you actually want to do it. You can wear a muscle fit shirt which makes you look good as well, which shows off the cuts if you want to do that, and it also makes you look very charming. Another tip is to have a picture with a cute person in the form of an animal, a dog, a guitar, a baby, a plant, a pup. It just really puts everything so nice.
क्या करा रहे तुम लोग यार? क्या बात है श्याम सेठ, आज ये हेलमेट पहन लो, कल तो सोने का मुकुट पहनोगे बेटे।
Coming to the bio, I think bio is one of the most important things. Yes, the looks, the pictures will give you an edge, but your bio can play a very vital role, especially if you feel that you do not kill it in the looks department. Do not focus on your negatives. Every person has a lot of positive qualities, a lot of good things. So the point is to focus on those good things and showcase that. So coming to your bio, I have seen 3 kinds of people. One person who writes a very long bio with Shashi Tharoor words. Then I know people who just write 1 line, 1 or 2 lines, and that also does not make sense and it's weird. And then I know these third kind of people who have the perfect bios. 60 to 70% of the time they have this medium size good description. Now that's the person you want to be. Few things which work is a quote, a funny line, a joke. Negative things don't work. Not looking for this, only swipe if this. Try to avoid all of that. For those people who are not so good with their words or expressing themselves, something which can work in their bio is to include lists. You don't need to go for paragraphs. You can just include things about yourself in a list form. Don't use this option if you're a lazy person, and 1 line is manageable by even the most silent people.
बोलना तुम लोग भी खामखा
अब तू सुनेगा मेरी आवाज।
After these 2 parts, सबसे बड़ा टेस्ट आता है और वो टेस्ट है of holding actual conversations. What is it that you can do? The best thing I know which will definitely work is that you see the person you have matched with, look at their profile and make a very specific comment related to a particular thing. It could be a scenery, it could be an area, it could be their interest, anything which genuinely made you swipe that person. This is a fail-proof formula. Please don't do this one more thing. Say you have just matched with the person today, you had a few chats, and the next day itself you go crazy like, where are you, why didn't you reply, oh you've been too busy, how are you doing now. Don't bombard them and don't act all clingy and needy. You do have your own life, please continue with it. few questions which are boring but I think are still a very important part of the conversation is that what do you do and what does that person do, and also why that particular person is on the app. अगर आपको कोई ऐसे बोलता है that I am not sure and I am just here to try out, or that I will see where this go and then decide, if this happens then you should ask more questions around that subject, because everyone somewhere knows. You can give them hypothetical situation. If something like this happens over here, then what would you do? It will both be an interesting conversation and you will get to know more about their focus. Now I am about to expose something about dating apps which completely shook me. Thanks to one of my friends who reached out to me and said कि Hinge तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा होगा, हमारे लिए बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है. I asked him why. Then he sent me some screenshots and the brutal truth is that some dealers are using dating apps to put call girls and give their numbers. The guy texts on that WhatsApp number. They get bad things. It's just really shocking. But the good thing is that there is this one app which is Bumble, which is doing great and people are also loving it and liking it a lot, so that is where you want to go. Thank you everyone for staying till the end, watching the video.